Welcome, Wednesday. This is Ryan Roo here, and welcome back for more WWE 2K24. In the last video, I think I did myself. I play as my custom character, Ryan Roo, and I teamed up with my favorite, Nikki Cross, and we faced Dominic and Rhea in a mixed tag team match. And in this video, I'm gonna do my dogs, Jey Uso and Sami Zayn, versus the Wolf Dogs, Baron Corbin and Bron Breakker, versus two members of Dogs of War, Drew McIntyre and Braun Strowman, in a triple threat tag team match on Monday Night Raw. So let's do it. Oos yeet. On Monday Night Yeet. So it's my dogs, Jey and Sami, versus Dogs of War, Braun Strowman and Drew McIntyre, versus Wolf Dogs, Bron Breakker and Baron Corbin. Alright, let's do it.
Both teams facing off in this tornado tag match.
And yeah, I'm playing as Jey, by the way. I'm in my WrestleMania 39 attire. Also Sami as well. Take that, Drew. Take that, McIntyre. You're gonna get this yeet down. Cause you, sir, have never give. Even though Jey and Sami both left the bloodline, you still have a problem with them. And plus, you never gave Jey or Sami a second chance. Ugh, Bron Breakker. So many people. Baron Corbin. Okay. What the heck? Damn it. There we go. There we go. Take this. Bam. Yeah, we taking over the ring. Yeah. Alright, I'm coming. Damn it. God.
It might be time to clear out.
True. Okay. Yeah, get him, Sami. There we go. I see you, Braun. Nice. Double team by me and Sami. Haha. Because we feeling oozy. You feel me? Samoan drop. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got my signature. Bam! There we go. Ah, I went for the spear. Bron Breakker counter. Nope. Haha. Because of a yeet. Drew. Nope. Haha. Dang it. What the heck? Whoa! Nope. Yeet. Alright. Drew McIntyre is about to get this yeet down. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna go on top rope. Oh, splash! Got him! Haha! Me and Sami Zayn win. My dogs. Yeah. We did it. We the ones. Alright, there we go. My dogs have defeated the Wolf Dogs and Dogs of War. Alright, that's going to be it for this video, so thank you guys for so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and ring that bell to get notified of my next video. And I'll see y'all next time. Later, yeet.